HTC has taken its already pretty damn decent flagship U11 phone and given it a spit and polish. The result? The U11 Plus, a 6-inch Android phone with a handful of tweaks over the standard model. The screen is larger, for one. It was 5.5 inches before and has a 2880 x 1440 pixel resolution. We already loved the display on the U11, and this update seemed at least as good in the short time I had it in my hands. Stay tuned for the final verdict on that one. The larger screen has made room for a larger battery too. There's a meaty 3930 mAh cell stuffed inside, which should let you breeze through a day of use without any concern about it conking out right as you're about to send that crucial text with your pizza order to your mates. Other updates include louder speakers and a new app launcher wheel that opens when you squeeze the sides of the phone, a quirky navigation feature the company launched on the U11 and has since been seen on the Pixel 2, which HTC also makes. The U11 Plus is up for pre-order in the UK from November 20th for £699. Wider availability hasn't yet been announced, but that price converts to $927 in the US and $1,207 in Australia.